Hello all, I'm Dr. Gopinath Bandari, consultant hand, wrist and microsurgeon, Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills. Today we have a very young patient from West Bengal. He himself is a doctor and he suffered an injury to his left elbow in 2022. He was operated elsewhere and later, 2 years back, he was operated by elbow fusion in Chennai. Because of his elbow fusion in a functional position only, but still there was no range of motion happening at elbow. He was chronically depressed because there was no movements and his hand was in a bad position. He could not do his activities. He could not bend or straighten his elbow. So in such scenarios, we have seen him. He also had a shoulder issue. We have operated the shoulder issue a couple of months back, which got settled, and now he came to us for elbow range of motion. Initially, before surgery, we advised him to do static biceps and tricep strengthening exercises, and later, 2 weeks back, we operated him by a elbow joint replacement surgery. It was a critical surgery and took us time because previously there was an arthrodesis which we had a plate and the plate was removed, and the joint, which was completely solidly fused, we had to break it open and recreate a new joint and then do a replacement procedure. So this has been a challenging procedure which we executed very well, and now here we have Malai. Now within 15 days, Malai is able to do complete extension and touch his face and touch his nose with the left hand. So we'll share and take his experiences after this. Thank you.
My elbow was completely fused at 2023. There is no more, range of motion, and I was in my hand was very bad position. I was unable to do my basic activity also. And then I came to know that one hand surgeon is there in Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, and I visited Dr. Gopinath Bandari sir. And when I visited, my shoulder was very unstable, and due to my long-standing arthrodesis of elbow. Then at the day when I visit sir told me that my shoulder need stabilization. A day after the visit, sir did my shoulder surgery, and I feel that my heaviness, pain was completely gone, and next days, after the next day of OT.